Hi guys, as you can see I've got a couple of old wooden patio chairs. They've actually rotted a little bit in places. As you can see, they've fallen apart. I'm going to strip them down, see what timber I can get out of them, and see what else I can put it to use for. As you can see, we've managed to strip it all down. I've got quite a few good pieces out of it. Luckily it wasn't as rotten as I thought. I've lost about 3 or 4 pieces there that are weak spots within the chair that have cracked and dried out, but managed to salvage quite a lot of pieces. I'm going to have a look and see what we can do. Managed to sort out some pieces, so yeah, I think I'm going to make a raised planter out of some bits, and then I've got these curved sections that I think I'm going to make a little rocker, a little seat with some decking. I've got some old decking boards I'm going to put with that and make a rocker. Now for 2 of the sides, I just wanted to show you a little thing I did. Was obviously the existing wood had little tenons on it. What I do, obviously I cut them to size. The pieces are cut off, I then used for my spacings so that I could get all the spacings equal in the slats. I've pre-drilled any of the screw holes because the timber is really dry, so I've pre-drilled, and I have used a little bit of wood glue as well. Okay, well, planter is finished. Still got to decide, maybe give it a little sand, maybe paint it a colour, but yeah, done. Something to bear in mind when using old upcycling items, things like that, it's never going to be perfect. You're never going to get straight wood, it's all misshapen. So you've got to go with that and enjoy that, rather than, and just think of that you've got something useful out of something that was going to get thrown away. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video with the other bits of the chair. Okay, take care, bye.